Okay, so here is our shower, and as you can see, the glass up here is pretty clear, but when you go down, it gets very, very foggy. Look how dirty that is. Yeah, you can barely see anything. So I'm really, really hoping this works. So my main focus is on the shower doors. And then I'm also just gonna scrub out everything here. It needs a lot of love. And here is everything that I'm going to be using. All of this can be found at the Dollar Tree. I did buy the vinegar from Walmart, but I'm sure Dollar Tree has vinegar as well. And then you're gonna need some Dawn soap. I got this bottle at the Dollar Tree. This sponge was at the Dollar Tree. And then this wasn't at the Dollar Tree. This is my coconut scrubber from Grove Collaborative. I had it already out, so I thought I would try it. But this is everything I'm gonna be using. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to heat equal parts of Dawn and the vinegar in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then I'm gonna put this in here. So I'm gonna do that first, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so here's my solution. This was just a ½ cup of each. So I'm gonna try this amount first, and I'm going to take everything out of the shower and then spray it down. It's a shimmering night, setting is right. Okay, so I'm gonna show you inside the shower. A lot of soap. So the black, this is actually from a goat soap, and it was dyed black, so that's all that is. And definitely need to scrub here. And then, oh my gosh, the inside, so bad. Okay. Let's see if this works. I only heated this for about 40 seconds, only because I only had ½ a cup. So just kind of watch it. It's still kind of lukewarm, but you don't want it to be overly hot. Did you know that? We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. Okay, so as you can see, I've used almost all of it. I really wanted to get the whole area covered because it really needs a deep cleaning. So I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes, and then I will come back and scrub it down and see what we have. Okay, so my timer went off. It's been 30 minutes. I'm going to scrub the doors and the whole shower and see what it looks like. And then I'm going to rinse it off, and then I will show you afterward how it all turned out. So I'm gonna take this little sponge that I got at the Dollar Tree and try this out first. And then if I need any other tools, I'll go from there. Me, dancing in the Be careful when you're doing this because it is very slippery. So you might want to take your time and make sure you don't slip. Definitely wash your hands afterward. Or use gloves, even better. I should have wore gloves.
Your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna.
I don't know if you can see, but oh my gosh, it is so much better already.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder.
I'm gonna do one more time on the doors and then turn the shower on to see if I can rinse a lot of it off at the same time. But I'm doing this just to show you like how well
we got everything we need right here.
It's seriously a melting off like butter. I'm going to use a magic eraser and get it really wet and then just rub the rest of it off. I'm also going to take a wet rag and see if that gets just all the rest of the soap off.
Doesn't matter what we do, there ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high.
What is it that all the kids are saying now? Shook? I'm shook. I'm going to show you the before just so you can see the difference, and I will try my best to get as much footage up close as I can because I am seriously So now you can see, but yeah, there's still a little bit left, but oh my gosh, the difference is incredible. I will definitely be doing this once a month. I'm sure it will be like brand new. Go out and get yourself some Dawn and Vinegar, and that way you can have a clean shower. It is so simple. I'm seriously blown away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video helped. I'm seriously still amazed about how well that worked. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you here. I make cleaning videos, mostly cleaning videos, so you'll find a ton of motivation and great ideas here on my channel. So all you have to do is hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys again, and please comment down below if you are going to do this and tell me your results. I would love to know. You can even comment after you watch this video, days after. I read all of them and I reply to all of them. So yes, tell me if this works for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.